morning, students. Today we are discussing about the electrochemical machining. So electrochemical machining means here we use electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution means in this we use salt or glycol solution. This is used as a chemical machining process, electrochemical machining process. So this medium works to generate a hole or a gap in between the workpiece. Okay. So in this process we have servo motor. Servo motors means in this, when the electrolytic solution passes through the filter, here the electrolytic solution has been filtered here, and then it is passed through the flow meter. Here we can regulate the flow of the electrolytic solution. Then the pressure gauge. After then the liquid has passed to the pressure gauge. Pressure gauge means we have to regulate the pressure of the liquid. Okay. Then it is comes under the servo flow meter. Servo meter means here the electrolytic solution passes through this knob, and then this servo meter gives us the vibration mode to the motor. Then the motor gets started vibrating. When the vibrating gets started, here a notch or a hole, whatever it may be, as per our requirement, a notch or hole is being placed because of in this electrolytic solution, electrochemical machining. So this chemical machining process, the salt or glycol solution is the main working medium. In this solution, the small particles is impinged by the servo motor. After impinging that, the material or the upper layer of the material of the workpiece has been removed slowly, but there is no contact between the tool and the workpiece. So don't forget, students, there is no contact between the tool and the workpiece. The electrons passed through from the servo motor and impinged by here on the upper surface of the body of the workpiece, and then the servo motor, the flow of the liquid is impinged, and then electrons pass from the servo motor and the molecules of the workpiece has impinged here. Here the servo motor can move forward and backward direction and upward and downward directions. So by this DC motor, the DC motor, connection is given to the servo motor, another connection is given to positive is given to the servo motor, and the negative is given to the workpiece. Okay, students, and the workpiece is fixed on the clamps, fixes, and the flow meter, servo motor, filter. But don't forget the electrolytic solution, because we are discussing about the electrochemical machining process. So electrochemical machining means electrons plus chemical machining. By combination of these two, electrons and chemical, the production means the requirement of the shape on the workpiece has been evolved. Okay, students, thank you.